Gentlemen, I am Gloria Strickland, and I am the Chief Executive Officer of Hazard Valuation and Eco Crisis Management at the studio. I just need to speak with your tour guide for a minute.
Me? What's up?
Where do you think you're going?
It's Terror Tram. We're going to the back lot.
I'm afraid that is out of the question.
Why?
Had you bothered to check in with our self-serve employee info kiosks when you clocked in this evening, you would know that that area is under a chartreuse level threat assessment and off limits to employees and the public.
What is a chartreuse?
Tired of humans? Are you sick of being stepped on, squashed, swatted, and sprayed? Then call the Exterminators, the #1 name in human pest control. Our helpful and discreet operators are standing by 24/7 to answer all your human pest needs. Have you got cantankerous Karens, hostile haters, entitled teens, or irritating influencers? Then call the Exterminators today and make your human problems go away. Hi, I'm Larry Larva.
Hi, Larry.
Did you know 90% of all life forms on this planet are insects?
Oh man, I don't want to do this anymore. All right. All right, y'all. Here we go. Oh no. Stay on my left side. Stay on my left side. Oh no. Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. 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 Micah. Micah. You guys okay? We're okay. Okay, we're good. Yeah, Toretto's car. We're all family. That's where we parked. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Oh no, I don't like this. Oh. Okay. Hi, Karen. Hi, Karen. Oh, okay. Oh, geez. Oh, geez. Oh, geez. All right. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Marissa, don't do that. Hold on. I gotta go to Kyle. I gotta go to Kyle. Oh, hello.
It's time to rise up from the sewer. Free yourselves from the cages and travel from our human oppressors and claim our rights.
All right. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to hit record on the 360. Okay, there we go. Okay. A lot of walking. I don't know why they do I'll stand right here so you can grab it. or make myself smaller. Oh, there you go, smaller. Yeah. That's Norman Bates over there. Oh, thank you. Oh. Oh. What is all this white stuff on me? What is this? Oh man. Whoa. Hello. Oh crap.
Did you know insects on the
Oh. Hello. Hello. Hi.
The bug got you.
humans are a pest. What have humans ever done for us? Except try to eradicate us from this planet.
To make ourselves bigger.
With their inflated life expectancy, greedily consuming all of our natural resources, exterminate them.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, lady. Hello, hello. Okay. 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 Wait. Where are we going? How come we're... Oh, no. Oh, no. They're sending us to the special zone. Oh, no.
Guaranteed to kill humans dead.
Hello. Hello. I'm already circumcised. He went between my legs. I told him I'm already circumcised. Okay. Okay, we're going to the nope. Is it nope or up?
I don't.
Nope. Nope. It's one of those movies, right?
No, but I think it's no. It's no.
Nope.
Nope.
Oh, who's coming? Oh, okay. Don't go. Oh, don't go. He said don't go. Hello. 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 Oh, sheesh. Oh, okay. Hello. Hello, hello, guys. bodies. I think I can use the restroom here. Oh, hello. Oh, hello, sir. Hello, sir. Sorry, sir. Okay. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Oh, I think that's it. I think that's it. Oh, we survived. We survived.